Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mohammad Hindabul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Real English Version School, Dashing. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 3, question 24. Exercise 3, question 24. This question I will solve in our today's class. This is a word problem. So let us see the question. A square open reservoir of depth 2.5 meters contains 28,900 liters of water inside. How much money will be spent to put a lead sheet in the inner side at taka 12.50 per square meters? Dear students, it means that suppose here is a reservoir, square open reservoir. It means the shape of the reservoir is square shape. As this is square open, it means that the surface above is open. It means this is the open surface. This is the open surface. So you can write here open. Open. As this is square shaped, so the length and breadth of this reservoir will be equal or same. Here depth of water, depth, here the reservoir of depth 2.5 meters, it means here depth or height is 2.5 meter. This height or depth is 2.5 meter. Now to put the lead sheet in the inner side, it means that here we have to put the lead sheet in the base and in 4 walls, in the base and in 4 walls. It means that we have to determine the surface area of these 4 walls and the base. Then if we get the total surface area of these 5 surfaces, then we can multiply that area by the cost per square meter. It means 12.50 to get the total cost. Okay, dear students. So let us see how can we solve. We can write, given the depth of the reservoir is 2.5 meter. Depth is 2.5 meter. Let the base of the reservoir or we can write here length. Let the length of the reservoir is x meter. So as this is square open, it means that its surface of the base will be a square, so the length and breadth will be same. So we can write, so the breadth of the reservoir is also x meter. So as we know, the length, breadth and depth means height, so we can determine the volume of the reservoir. The volume of the reservoir, that is equal to product of length means x, breadth means x and height or depth means 2.5, that is cubic meter. That is cubic meter. So we have determined the volume of the reservoir, that is equal to 2.5 x square cubic meter. Now if you notice the question here, the reservoir contains 8,900 liters of water. Dear students, we know a relation between cubic meter and liter. That is 1 cubic meter equal to 1,000 liter. So if we multiply this volume by 1,000, we will get the amount of water contained inside the reservoir. So we can write here, we know 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liter. Therefore 2.5 cubic meter will be equal to 2.5 into 1,000 liters. So we will get here, if we calculate 2500, here is x square, here is x square, as here is x square. So here also will be x square. 2.5 x square cubic meter is equal to 2.5 x square into 1000, that is 2500 x square liters. It means that the water contained in the reservoir will be 2500 x square liters, and this amount must be equal to 28,900 liters. So we can write as per question, we can write 2500 x square is equal to 28900. Now we can divide 28900 by 2500. So what will we get? That will be x square. That will be x square. Now if we divide this by 25, what will we get? We will get here 28900 divided by 2500. You can do the calculation. This is simple calculation. You can do using simple calculator, that is 11.56. 11.56. So now determine the value of x here, that x equal to square root 11.56. So take the square root of 11.56. What will be that? That will be 11.56. That will be 3.4. Therefore the value of x is 3.4. Here what is x? We have considered x is the length of the reservoir. So the breadth of the reservoir is also x. So what will be the surface area? Area of the base of the reservoir. So we can write here. Next part I will do here. Next part. So the length and breadth of the reservoir is, that will be 3.4 meter. So now we can determine the area of the base and area of the four walls. So we can write the area of the base, that will be equal to product of x and x square meter. Here x is 3.4 and again x is 3.4 square meter. That will be 11.56. And the area of the four walls. Area of the four walls. Area of the surface of four walls. Area of the area of the surface of 4 walls. Or 4 sides, that will be equal to, as here is, see the figure here, this is x means 3.4, this is x means 3.4 and this is 2.5. So if we determine the area of one wall, and as this is the square shaped base, so 4 wall will have the same area. So if we can determine area of one wall, that is if we multiply 3.4 by 2.5, and then this is the area of each wall, so area of 4 walls will be, or 4 sides, surface of 4 sides will be this square meter, product of 4. 3.4 into 2.5, this is for one surface, and for the 4 surface we have to multiply this by 4. So now product of 3.4, 2.5 and 4, product of, we can determine easily here, we can determine easily 3.4 here, multiply here, product of this is 10, 2.5 and 4 is 10 square meter. So if we multiply by 10, this will be 34 square meter. So now if we add the area of this base and area of 4 walls, we will get the total surface area of 5 surfaces, total surface area of 5 surfaces. We can write here, total surface area of 5 surfaces. That is equal to, we have to write here, product of, addition of 34 and 11.56. So if we add, we will get here 45.56. 45.56. So this is square meter, unit is square meter. Square meter. Now this is the total surface area of the 5 surfaces except the surface of the above. So to put lead sheet, cost per unit is 12.50. 12.50. So the total cost will be, so the total cost for putting lead sheet that will be equal to product of 45.56 and 12.50. So what will be the product? The unit will be taka. So we can write here taka. If we take the product 45.56, 45.56 and 12.5. So this will be 569.5. 569.5. 569.50 taka. This is the total cost. Dear students, so this is our required answer for this question 24. I hope you have understood the solution of question 24. 569.50 taka. So we can write this is our answer. Dear students, a question is given for your homework. This is your homework 14, exercise 3, question 30. This is a creative question. This question you will do as your homework. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.